gonna be a quick one. Now, if you didn't know, you can actually look at pictures in the terminal. Maybe I'm being a little bit misleading. It's not going to be the full fidelity, but obviously what I'm talking about here is there's a really easy way to just convert your pictures into text by using a program called JP2A, which just generates some ASCII art. So I think it works best for like objects and stuff, like photos of very clear, defined things. So what I have here is the Linux Penguin Tux. So if I write this, then you see, this is a little bit kind of hard to tell because of the white background I have going on here, but you can see it's in the form of Tux. And so similarly, and I have another photo on here. It's a wallpaper, JP2A. I think it's called like Apple.jpg, right? And so this one doesn't really show up as well, even if I make my canvas much larger. It's kind of hard. I mean, I don't know. You can see there's obviously like some graphical thing going on here. It's supposed to be the representation of the photo. But yeah. And so now you might think that's kind of annoying to have to type all that JP2A color. I don't think it's really that bad, but in this case, it's obviously very easy to make like a little wrapper for it. So for example, if I wanted to make like a little, let's just say I wanted to type pick each time, then I guess I could just write like JP2A color. I don't know, I guess I haven't written bash in a little bit, but that should literally just be it. So pick.sh, linux.png. Oh yeah, one sec. Yeah, see? So then you could really easily just write a little wrapper for it. Yeah. I just thought this was kind of cool. For example, if you use WSL, you know, you might not have an X server installed on your Ubuntu or Debian or whichever one. I think SUSE's on there too for Windows with WSL now. But let's say you don't have what is it, GWSL? You don't have that application installed, so you can have an X server for your Linux distribution. Then this could be a pretty quick way to just kind of tell, like, oh, what am I looking at here? You know what I mean? You know, just something to play with. This is not like meant to be like a holy, you know, oh my god, type of video. But yeah, I just thought this was kind of cool, and maybe somebody else might appreciate this. So yeah, if you liked it, drop a like, all that other good stuff. And as usual, thanks for watching.